times that I could've died. Lucky Sunny Slim got 100 lives, not the rings I
Good morning, everyone. How is everyone doing today? Good morning, good morning. Good morning, such a trader. Gold is very, very tricky today, but we got this. Good morning, Edwin. Hey. So I'm looking for possible sales, and the reason behind that is because if we look at 4038.7, going to the 30-minute here, we did not close above it previously, and that's even a minor high of this range. 1 hour did not close above, so there is a chance we could reject this high over here, this 5-minute supply, or we could go back up to the previous 5 to the left, excuse me, and reject. Good morning today. Yeah, we failed to close above this minor high on the 30. 1 hour. We don't have a high there on the 1 hour. I mean, that's the 4 hour. 1 hour. Previous 1 hour candle did not close above. Edwin, did you catch these buys? Because we were talking about these buys during Asia last night.
I didn't watch it. Like I was waiting down here on the hourly demand.
Oh, really? I mean,
Yeah.
that's why I talked.
If,
That's why I talked about this 5-minute, because it's the low that created this high, and we had the bullish momentum.
I wasn't sure, so I used the hourly. But then when I saw this, I just missed it.
Oh, you okay?
I went to do other stuff because I gotta do other stuff.
Oh, okay.
So the setup's gone already.
Yeah.
But I took the sales though. Wait, I think, yeah, I think roughly here, basically.
Oh,
Took a sell. The freaking price hit here, but doesn't trigger me out on my 1 to 2, so I close it here as soon as he breaks it.
Oh, okay. The supply that couldn't break a low, is it not concerning? Okay, so if we look at to the left, pretty much from Asian high 4059.7, that's the one that created this low, right? At 4001.9. Now, this high already broke minor low but failed to break the low that created it. We understand that. Now, in return, now over here, this low created a minor high at 4038.7. Now, in return, he does even fail to break a minor high that created it. So if it keeps failing, oh yeah, I'm going to look to short it and come down over here until we take out Asian high. Even until we take out, if we take out this high here, yeah, I think then we could continue higher. Because then 30-minute, 15, 1 hour should close above this minor high right over here. You're welcome. If we're not going to fall, this support here on the 5 should break this high. Yeah, I said it earlier when I got in the stream that gold is a little bit tricky today. But for now, I am sticking to this house. Rate selling right now is just crazy bullish. I prefer this 5-minute supply here anyways, and this is it right here. Let's see what we do from here. Six. Kind of closing 1 minute. Stop loss here is going to be 156.
Order working.
Yeah, pending order going. Yeah. Today we are going to do right over here. For the 39.3. Thinking to buy that double top breakout. Oh, okay. Mm.
No music on Zoom.
Oh, really?
Order filled.
Stop filled.
Is it playing now? Right, we are in this trade. Hmm. 180, Anthony. Mm. Oh, NYC opens in 2 minutes. See what happens once NYC opens in a minute. Yep, less than a minute from now. NYC just opened. Hopefully, these guys will be on our side to.
Oh, bad trade, Dakota. Dakota just said he went long gold. I don't think so. I think it's come down.
Oh. Is it the same people they have down in New York that's still there?
He's got no. There's like the host, one of the company people, Dakota, and some new guy, Jacob. Never seen them.
Well, I mean, this session price action on gold it is very tricky. I would admit that. Even though its price action is tricky, I'm actually expecting gold to come back around, pretty much around here. Since this low even failed to break the high that created it, I'm expecting that it comes back around here. At least. But we'll see.
Nice. There we go. All right.
Well, that is 50% for those of you. I don't know. However you want to manage your trade here, you can. I will be waiting for at least 1-to-1. If you've taken some profit, let's see those W's. I am waiting for 4024.2. And we'll see.
Oh, what's your stop loss on this trade?
150. I could have used 120 even, or 140, but wait, can I have it? Let me see.
Well, and getting tricked out this week's profits. That's good. I already closed most of my position for like plus 120. I found that like my bigger targets, they have not been making it. Gold just says nope.
You said something wrong?
Oh no.
Yeah. You've been on the sidelines since London and getting tricked out of this week profits.
Oh man, so annoying.
What happened?
My entry basically got slipped by 5 pips, and I almost get my TP 1-to-1 by 5 pips, and then she take me out on break evens.
Oh, yeah.
Man, disgusting. Like even the London trade, I hit the 1-to-2 on trading views, but my broker doesn't register it, which is crazy. Literally kissed it, but doesn't take me out.
Yeah. Is that the GC chart you're talking about, or are you talking about like it's on a Forex chart?
FXCM on
Oh,
TradingView, but
okay.
I trade using the broker, right? Probably the
Yeah.
spread doesn't take me out.
Yeah, that's some bullshit.
Yeah, it is what it is, I guess. But I
Yeah.
can't even take this anymore. Basically, already hit my 1-to-1. technically, if I
Wait,
take it properly
when
on my
did
entry.
where did you get in? You sniped it or something?
Nah, I waited for this king. I want to see this, so I take it as soon as it breaks, but I just got slipped around here.
Oh,
Yeah.
even below mine.
Yeah, that's sad, actually. But yeah, it is what it is.
I don't like Forex anymore. That'd never happen on GC or, on futures, because if it gets there in the chart, it gets there in the chart. That's all there is to it. If
Yep.
it doesn't get there, your stop loss will not get taken.
Yep. That's the cool thing about futures. You're welcome, Rodrigo. FX is good for swings. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah. Not unless you're Tory trades. Then you swing futures with 40 lots on a demo account of 500,000 demo account.
You're looking to buy below this demand? I think that's a bad idea. I don't think anyone should be looking to buy good now until it gets to the pretty much around the major low of this range. That's just my opinion. But we'll see.
So we will see. I want to see this thing get back to like around 4,010-ish. But hey, gold never listens lately for me. It's like you'll hit TP1, but doesn't want to hit TP2. Buy from your TP. Yeah, makes sense.
The first TP or the second one, could it be?
Oh, the first one. Okay.
Oh.
What's the first one?
4024.2. I mean, there is a 5-minute demand there, but I don't think it's going to hold. Even if it holds, it's just going to be a pullback and continue down. That's my opinion.
That's all he needs. With the way gold moves lately, a pullback's fucking like 200 pips.
Oh man, so annoying. Why this go do this? Oh well. I think I'm gonna just call it early.
The other day, you did the same thing the other day, and it stopped you out. And I think it was doing.
Yeah,
It
so
was
annoying.
doing.
It's Asian, yes.
Was
This
it?
morning.
Was it today when you moved your stops and then you didn't get the?
Today. Yeah, it was today the sales.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Where'd you guys take it?
Up here, I think around.
We took this.
Around Oh, yeah, I remember this one here.
Yes. No, we were already. Were we?
Yep.
This candle.
I mean, I took it there.
This
As
candle.
soon as it,
This candle.
this
This candle triggered us in. This candle right here. That was where we took it. What's the price? What's the price? Oh shit, it's hard to freaking tell now. Okay, I think 42.0.
42. Okay, nice.
Yeah, right there. That's where we took it.
I got short at 40.49.
You're in Asia?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, Gilby said change of plans.
No more.
No more buying.
You still have one running, okay. I am going to close this stop step right here. I don't need it to.
Order filled.
I just passed this stop step. I don't need to. Why don't top step just take you out once you get the profit target? I don't know why.
It's pretty obvious. Hopefully you forget about it and you fail.
Thank you to the E. So YouTube does, so they don't think I'm lying. I'm about to share with you guys. What the hell? Okay. Did they see it? Yep, there you go. I don't think they can see it. I got it. There you go. Ah, come on, Goldie. Those of us that are still holding, make us smile, make us happy. We know it's Friday. Man, it's been an amazing week. So I don't want to mess it up. I'm gonna move my stops to break even here. Let me keep my win streak going. 4039.2. There's the entry. Alright, I moved my stops, guys, as you guys can see here on TradingView. I'm trying to keep my win streak going.
there's the pullback that Killed Beat wanted.
Oh, I'm muted. Sorry, guys. Sorry. 8 trades. 8 trades this week. This will be the night trade for this week. I figured she might want to pull back right there. Guess she might want to pull back over here. But it should still continue down. Hopefully it does not get to the freaking entry. This 15-minute supply. This 15-minute supply broke a low. We might try to get up there. You didn't want to pull back anymore?
Yeah, I was like, shit, okay.
Didn't even want it to get to that 15-minute supply. I just wanted to, as we've rejected this minor low now, to just fall from here. I think on Fridays we should probably do that. Do something like if we trade on Fridays, just secure like 50%, secure 1-to-1, and then just keep it running. If it gets to full TP, fine. If it does not, at least got 1-to-1.
Abe's trading the win streak, not the trade chart anymore.
No. I'm trading my strategy on Fridays.
You know, I think we should just go back to 10 pips on Fridays to secure that win.
Nah, 10 pips is nothing with gold right now. That is shit. Quarter of a candle is like freaking 50 pips these days. Your indicator? What indicator? You're taking these three blindly off your indicator. Come on, gold, you got this.
Order cancelled.
There we go, beautiful. You see, futures, he just freaking kissed it. And that's the profit right there. If it was Forex, it has to cross it to hit.
Yeah. Not by like a teeny bit. It's like gotta be like a decent chunk. Otherwise it won't get you out.
Ooh, good job everyone. Spam those W's in the chat. Okay. Finally got the 1-to-1. Oh wait, Pie's not here. I've not heard his voice. What do I think? If so, that previous high 4018 on Forex. And well, can you do me? Are you looking at Forex chart?
No.
4018
I very
on
close my chart.
Forex. Where's 4018 on Forex? So you said if so, that previous high. Previous high. Are you talking about this high at 4049.2 on futures, or are you talking about the previous one to the left? That rejected a 5-minute supply. Okay, so this one at 4049. Okay. Previous higher high. The one in the middle. Yeah, I'm confused. Today you confusing me today. Well, do you understand what he's trying to ask me?
Previous higher high, meaning rejected. Previous higher high, this trend. The one in the middle. What? The one in the middle. Oh. Jesus, is he talking about this one? Is he talking about like something like that?
Is that what you're talking about today? My entry is right on top of it.
Said yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright, so what was the question again? Oh, so because of the break, you figured that we are bullish. I'm guessing that's what it meant. Oh, if you sold there. Sold where? My entry after rejecting the 5-minute supply. Okay. I don't know, maybe I can't think very well right now because I don't feel good because I still can't get the question you're asking me today. But I will explain it. I believe I explained the reason why I took the sell, but I will explain it again. Maybe that would help you out. Now, everyone should be able to tell that gold is currently in a range. We are not trending right now. We are in a range. Now, as a trader, I say day trader, especially if you trade supply and demand or support and resistance from prices in a range, you only need to look to sell at the major high or you buy at the major low. Now, in that range, there's each time frame is also going to have the minor range, major range. Now, here on the 5-minute, we are going to talk about the major range, which is Asian high at 40.59 and Asian low at 4,001. That is our major range. Now, going here to during Asia session, you have your major low right over here at 39.99, and you have your major high at 40.59. Now, I want you to look at what happened here during Asia session. Now, during Asia session, what do we have? We have price breaking a minor low at 40.29.2. Take note of that. We broke a minor low. However, we failed to break a major low because the high could not break the major low that created it of this range. That's number one. Now, look, going back to this session now. Now, this session, you have Asian low creating the high at 4049.2. Where did 4049.2 reject? Well, it rejected the high, right, which is actually a continuation. It didn't even reject a major high. It pretty much rejected a minor high. However, we can also say, well, it is the major high of the 5-minute time frame, because if you go over here, this is Asian high. Now, once Asian high created this low, so let's look at this. Asian high created this low, came down, we created a minor high. None of these high broke a low. Remember that, none of the high broke a low until we created this minor high broke a low. Hence the reason why I was okay with looking to sell from here. If not, I will be looking at selling a little bit higher up. So now, once we rejected it, of course, you know my rules, especially if we have a bullish momentum, you have the aggressive selling. And I always say, when it comes to aggressive selling on the 5-minute time frame, I need 2 or more bearish candles, and each bearish candle has to close below the previous candle. And what do we have? We have this bearish candle closing below the previous one. You have the next one closing below the previous one. Now, it also could get tricky. Now, I want you to remember that this high here on the 5-minute did not break a low. Hence the reason why the 5-minute supply that was created, even though I marked it out earlier, I was not interested in selling from there until it actually broke a low. Now, if it does not break a low, then I needed to go back to the previous supply that we actually rejected from. If it holds again, then I will sell. Hence the reason why I sold this. I hope it makes sense now. And like I said, I am expecting that we pretty much come back to pretty much around Asian low. We might not get there. We could actually reject from potentially around here, because this is a continuation zone that broke this high at around 4038.6. We broke it, but we do not have a breakup structure on the 15 or on the 5. So I am going to stick with the fact that we should come down around this Asian low. That is what I'm expecting to see, because we did not break major highs to the upside. So we should come down to the bottom of the range. But we'll see. Buyers could step in anytime and break these highs. I hope all my rant makes sense now.
Anyways, man, take a look at Kill the Beats chart. Look at all those indicators. Look at all that.
What indicators are this?
I don't even know.
What's this, Killer? What indicator is this? And what are the dots, the dotted lines? What are those? Are those the indicators? Oh, it's your indicator. Oh, okay. I still won't be looking to buy this, even though we are reacting to the 30-minute demand right now. At this 30-minute demand did not break a high, except if they decide to break it now. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Order
Stop
cancelled.
Yeah. But this should hold. This supply here should hold and continue to the downside. All right, YouTube, that is it. That's it for me today. Need to use some medicine, and I will see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend. God bless everyone. See you guys on Monday. Don't trade anymore. It's Friday. You got your win. That's it.
Don't stop. You gotta make it all today. It's all or nothing, baby.
All right, guys. See you guys on Monday.
Take care.
You too. Zoom. See you guys on Monday.
Plenty time that I could have died. time that I could've died. Lucky Sunny Slim got 100 lives. Knock the rings out and I'ma fit my pinky with it. Straight up pink it, I get jiggy with it. You with it, then we can get it going. Talking big, then you just a semi-cola head of the state, and I cannot be demoted. I put his head on the stake and make him hold it 2 off the meter. Can't say too many ways that I need her. It's a bread on the plate, she a eater. Need some bread on the plate for the feature. I'm a beast, little boy, I'm a creature. Ain't no money to make for me being tame. For I tell on myself I'm a plea insane. There's some folks in here with me, yo, keep it chain, and I swear. They keep talking all around my head, I hear it all day. I hope nobody don't tell the end alright, cause I'ma send that land in y'all way. Gon' probably send me that I need peace sign for my shoulder, devils on east side. Now who's stronger, man, I'm getting deep fried, but I'm colder than a white polar until I'm